Some Tennessee lawmakers say they are once again planning to expand health care coverage to thousands of people. Good evening, I'm Josh Smith.
And I'm Sarah Diamond. A specially appointed task force unveiled a new plan in Nashville today. It will cover about 300,000 low-income Tennesseans.
If you are a low-income Tennessean facing behavioral health costs or a veteran without health coverage, lawmakers say this plan would help you. It is complex, but some are not convinced. News Channel 11's Kristen Kwan is outside the Johnson City Medical Center tonight.
And that's where some push for the original expansion plan called Insure Tennessee.
Josh, Sarah, the group organized by the Democratic Resources Center stood here on State of Franklin Road earlier today to bring awareness about an issue they hope will not go away, giving health insurance to thousands of Tennesseans who don't have it tonight. More than a dozen people in Johnson City say it's time for Insure Tennessee.
People are dying and suffering because they cannot afford medical insurance, which is available to them if the state would just accept it, but they won't. And that's sad.
This peaceful rally encouraging state lawmakers to do something for the estimated 300,000 Tennesseans without medical care.
Tennessee can do more, and they should.
Meanwhile, 4 hours away in Nashville, lawmakers did not offer that, but are willing to try something else. A three-star health task force that they say could cover those 300,000 Tennesseans without health care coverage.
We're looking for a measured approach that we can have, a phased-in approach that will move us to work towards closing the gap.
Phase 1 of the three-star health task force provides coverage through the state's Medicaid program, TennCare, for those low-income Tennesseans with behavioral health issues and vets without medical coverage. And Phase 2 would provide health care coverage for those Tennesseans just above what's called the federal poverty line. Still, others are not yet convinced that this three-star plan will even work.
Is not enough to cover everyone. So let's go back and just say, yes, we'll accept the money and let's get the Tennesseans insured.
Representative Matthew Hill is on the three-star committee. He says Insure Tennessee isn't going to happen.
Some of those folks want is just legislatively, is not possible. And so we're trying to be creative, we're trying to be innovative.
Some lawmakers have criticized Governor Haslam for his lack of details in his Insure Tennessee policy. And while Speaker Harwell's committee did offer those details, some are calling it a mere political stunt and not a real attempt at passing legislation. Reporting live in Johnson City, Kristen Kwan, News Channel 11 in your corner.
And Democrats had a different take tonight. They say the plan leaves hundreds of thousands waiting another 2 years at best for health care coverage. Democrats supported Republican Governor Bill Haslam's Insure Tennessee plan.